So I'm looking through the session 1 and session 2 guide and trying to figure out what exactly I need to do for these first few weeks of the class. So I found out that I have to do some reading from this book. I also have to look at some online presentations, and then I have to do this screen-o-matic as well. So I'm really having a lot to process at this time. This is everything I've got to do in this short amount of time, but I will get it done just like I need to. I've already looked at the tutorial on how to do this. I've already looked at how to upload it. Now I am in the stage of practicing making and creating my own screencast, and I'm going to upload it to YouTube momentarily, and then I can delete it. So thanks for listening. See you guys later.